City Finance Ranking 2022. We are continuing the current affairs for 22nd February 2023. City Finance Ranking 2022 is given by which ministry? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Who is the minister? Hardeep Singh Puri. Then UIDAI, Unique Identification. DI का फॉर्म क्या है? Where is the आधार कार्ड? निकालिए आधार कार्ड. You have your आधार कार्ड? Find it out. UIDAI, उसका पेज पलटाओ आप. It is given on the back side. UIDAI, Unique
Identification Authority of India.
Unique Identification Authority of India. It comes under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Now we have a scheme called Amrut 2.0, comes under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Now this, what is Amrut? Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. There is a scheme. Last week I think we have discussed Smart City scheme. 100 smart cities have been selected. How many have been completed? 22 have been completed. Similar on that line, there is another scheme called Amrut, Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, especially in the cities. Maritime Anti-Piracy Bill is brought by 2022 is brought by which ministry? External Affairs Ministry. Who is the minister? Professor Dr. Jaishankar. He is in news now. Lok Sabha. How many? Which date? First Lok Sabha was formed? 6th May 1952. At present, what is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha? 550. There was 552, but by 104th amendment in 2019, 2 Anglo-Indian reservations have been abolished now. Now, which is the present Lok Sabha? What is the number of present Lok Sabha? 17th Lok Sabha is being in process now. Till 2024. Next, in 2024 there will be general elections. Then after 17 we will have 18th Lok Sabha after general elections. Now we have seen one, and which has the maximum number of seats in Lok Sabha?
UP.
Uttar Pradesh have 80, Maharashtra have 48, West Bengal have 42, Bihar have 40 and Tamil Nadu has 39 seats. Now section 133 capital A of Income Tax Act talks about income tax survey. On this, the power of surveys, in type surveys is given under which section of Income Tax Act? So this Income Tax Act came in 1961. Please remember the year. Income Tax Act came in 1961. And which section gives the power for surveys? Section number 133 capital A. Recently we have seen income tax survey in BBC. What is BBC? British Broadcasting Company. You might get a question. BBC belongs to which country? It is UK. Now you have Competitive Examination Ordinance, which you have seen. A law has been brought for anti-copying. Which state? Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is formed in which year? 2000. Now we have seen next LTTE. What is LTTE? Liberation Tiger of Tamil Eelam. Is in from which country? Sri Lanka. They fought for independent Eelam community. If you have, do you have knowledge about this? Eelam, LTT Prabhakaran. Why it is in news?
He was the chief of.
नहीं, प्रभाकरन से क्या न्यूज़ में है? It was said that he died, but recently they have claimed that Prabhakaran is alive. Prabhakaran is alive and living. So by that we got this. Now you have Bimaru states. Bimaru, what is the full form of Bimaru? They are the lowest underperforming states in India, which are very low in education and health and all other departments. So these 4 names, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, was combined and coined, gave a name called Bimaru states. This name was coined by, was given by late Ashish Bose. Now, when this NDA government came to power in 2014, they changed this name and said that the more these regions are backward, ये कितने backward है, कितने पीछे है, उसमें उतना ही डेवलपमेंट का चांस है. सो दे गेव दिस नेम फ्रॉम complete negativity to positivity and said these are not Bimaru states, these are aspirational states. These are aspirational states. What are aspirational? Means there is a lot of chance of development. For example, आप दिल्ली ले लो, अब और कितना डेवलप होगा दिल्ली. एक देर इज अ पॉइंट, मुंबई ले लो, द मेट्रो सिटीज़ जो है, मुंबई है, चेन्नई है, बैंगलोर है, नाउ दे हैव रीच द पीक ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. Now we have to see beyond these all four metro cities and we will develop aspirational states, we will develop aspirational districts. So this has a maximum potential of becoming most advanced. ठीक है, aspirational states. You might get a question, aspirational districts program is started for which of the following states? Bimaru states, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and UP. Then Periyar Tiger Reserve is in news. Periyar Tiger Reserve is in which state? Kerala. There was a 4-day bird survey. There was 4-day bird survey to count the number of birds which have been flocking here. Then you have 5 in Kerala. There are 5 bird sanctuaries. Your homework will be to know what are those 5 bird sanctuaries. Then India's 53rd Tiger Reserve and Uttar Pradesh 4th Tiger Reserve is Ranipur Tiger Reserve. Any news with respect to tiger and any news with respect to Gandhi is becomes automatically important. जो पहली बार हो रहा कोई चीज़, फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया बोलते वो ऑटोमेटिकली इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया. एनी न्यूज़ विद रेस्पेक्ट टू टाइगर बिकम्स ऑटोमेटिकली इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एनी न्यूज़ विद रेस्पेक्ट टू महात्मा गांधी बिकम्स इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ इंडियाज 53rd टाइगर रिजर्व इज Ranipur Tiger Reserve and incidentally it is also UP's 4th Tiger Reserve. अगर उत्तर प्रदेश के बारे में पूछा 4th Tiger Reserve, अगर ऑल इंडिया पूछा 53rd Tiger Reserve. Similarly Elephant Reserve भी स्टार्ट करें. India's 33rd Elephant Reserve and UP's 2nd Elephant Reserve is Tarai Elephant Reserve. So Tarai is for elephants and Ranipur is for tiger. ठीक है. Next, first European country to grant paid menstrual leave is Spain. Which is the state in India to grant menstrual leave? Kerala. So when you see the national news as well as international news. Then you have Shinkula Tunnel is in which state or UT? Ladakh. It will connect Zanskar Valley, Leh Ladakh to Himachal Pradesh. This is organized by Border and Roads Organization. BRO is Borders and Road Organization under Yojak project. Under Yojak project. Zojila Tunnel is Srinagar Kargil Leh National Highway. Atal Tunnel, previously it was known as Rohtang Tunnel, which is in Himachal Pradesh. You have Escape Tunnel, longest escape tunnel. How many kilometers? 12.84 kilometers. Jammu and Kashmir. Now the name has been given as Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel. World's first ship tunnel is being constructed by which country? Norway. Indo-Tibetan Border Police comes under Ministry of Home Affairs, which was created in 1962 and it safeguard our borders from China. Now why it is a news? There is a committee, cabinet